What if I told you that 90% of gardeners kill their plants just by choosing the wrong pot? I tested over 50 different garden pots in real conditions, sun, rain, and extreme heat, and only 5 survived my brutal test. Some will shock you, others will save your plants' lives. Stick around because number 3 is an absolute game changer, and I've put all the links in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. TAUCI Plant Pot. Our team loved this planter. The TAUCI Plant Pot is easy to use, elegant, and has an attached water dish at the bottom. It's made of ceramic with a smooth finish and has small mesh circles to keep the dirt from falling out of the hole at the bottom. Because of the bowl-like shape, it's incredibly easy to fill with any plant of your choice and could be used either outside or indoors. It's hard to find such a beautiful and simple ceramic planter, and this set comes with 3. The main drawback with this garden pot set is that the water dish is attached to the planter. We love the added convenience of this feature, but it can make it hard to clean the pot. If dirt gets into the water dish, it would be a pain to dig out. Still, it's nice to be able to move your plants without worrying about water and dirt dripping out of the bottom. With a nice clean look and feel, and the 3 different sizes, the TAUCI Plant Pot is an excellent buy. This set of planters can be hung vertically for decoration and is ideal for vertically developing plants. The unique way the saucer is attached, fixed to the bottom of the pot, keeps it from dripping as it moves and hangs. You can water with confidence. These ceramic pots can tolerate extreme temperatures because they are high-temperature fired stoneware. These pots look sleek and sturdy. Designful packaging makes it a great choice for gift giving. Number 2. HOMENOTE Plastic Planter. We were surprised by how much we liked the HOMENOTE Plastic Planter. Instead of your normal run-of-the-mill plastic planter, this is sleek and stiff, with a matte finish. It's easy to use and comes in a set of 5 different sizes, from a succulent pot to a perfectly sized pothose planter. The largest has a capacity of about 2 gallons. Each pot also comes with a matching drainage plate so that if you decide to take these guys inside, you can water your plants without watering the windowsill. There aren't many negative aspects to the HOMENOTE plastic planter set, but these planters don't offer anything extra. If you're looking for something flashy or a self-watering feature, these planters just don't have it. However, if you are a fan of simplicity, this is a great deal for 5 great planters. Made from heavy-duty plastic plant pot material, thick in build, these large planters for outdoor plants won't warp or crack. Sturdy enough for large, heavy statement plants, no tipping or wobbling. Sleek and modern, these planter pots for indoor plants instantly upgrade patios, entryways, or living rooms. They're also crowd-pleasing gifts. These house plant pots work for birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings. This big plant pot, a sturdy tree pot pick, has room to spare. It's the ideal tall planters for indoor plants, and pot for indoor plants, for monstera, money trees, fiddle leaf figs, all your favorite greenery fits here. Number 3. Gepege 6-inch Beaded Ceramic Planter. The fun and colorful Gepege 6-inch Beaded Ceramic Planter is beautiful and functional. This set of 2 pots has a wide opening at the top, making it easy to plant, and comes with a matching drainage plate. For how decorated these pots are, they really don't disappoint in size or function. They are a good size for a medium-sized houseplant or small herbs. They are decorative without being too flashy or uniform and would look beautiful anywhere in your home or your garden. We found that they are easy to plant in and love that they are similar but slightly different. Despite our love of ceramic pots, there are disadvantages. If you're worried about breaking it, the Gepege 6-inch Beaded Ceramic Planter may not be the right choice for you. As lovely as it is, it's better to have a whole pot than a broken one, even if it has an attractive design. Still, these are terrific garden pots for sturdy surfaces both inside and out. Large drain holes are good for draining, and with leak-proof mesh pads, it keeps soil from running away, suitable for orchids, succulents, cacti, other flowers and green plants, perfect for home decoration. There are 2 methods to place saucer, which can be changed at will, not only suitable for planting plants, but also more ornamental value. You are covered with excellent product quality and great customer service. The pot with tray has been packaged and prepared carefully to prevent any damage during transit. If there is any issue or question, please contact us, and we will get back to you very quickly with a full satisfying resolution. Number 4. Gardenix Decor 7-inch Self-Watering Pot. There's no other way to say it, the Gardenix Decor 7-inch self-watering pot is fun. It comes in several pieces you must assemble and includes 2 coconut coir pucks. It's fairly easy to put together, and the core puck just needs to be soaked before you are ready to plant seeds or repot a succulent. This puck expands to just about all the extra soil you will need if you're repotting, and you'll only need a handful of extra soil if you're sowing seeds. Once everything is assembled, this pot has a nice, clean, and simple aesthetic, and the self-watering feature helps keep even your neediest plants low maintenance. It's a great size, allowing room for any standard-sized houseplant or a tiny herb garden. Assembling the pot was pretty easy, but the instructions weren't the most clear. The additional step of assembling can make the difference between a garden pot you love and one that's a hassle. Overall, this is a great option for those who want something low maintenance that looks great around the home. At Gardenix Decor, we are here to help you keep your plants happy and thriving, even with a busy schedule. We're plant people who know the joy and beauty plants bring to a home. We've designed our planters to function efficiently and self-sufficiently, to take care of your plant even when you can tea. If you aren't completely satisfied with your self-watering pots for indoor plants and outdoor plants, simply reach out to us directly so we can make it right. Number 5. Large 6-inch terracotta pot with saucer. When you think of a garden pot, you're more than likely to think of the large terracotta pot, and for a good reason. These pots are a classic not only because the simple aesthetic goes well with any decor or landscaping, but because they do the job and are built to last. These pots are easy to plant in, with a wide opening at the top and a drainage hole and drainage plate at the bottom. We love that this product has 4 pots to coordinate your interior and exterior designs. Although we love the traditional large terracotta pot, we wish this particular model were just a little bit larger and slightly less breakable. Fitting a medium-sized plant in one of these pots is a tight fit, and knocking it over would undoubtedly be the end of your terracotta pot. However, these planters are timeless and do the job well. Drain hole and saucer? Each ceramic pottery planter has a small drain hole at the bottom. Juicy, cactus, herbs or other plants thrive in well-drained clay pots and add porous soil to achieve ultimate plant comfort and growth. The saucer works perfectly with flower pots and is the perfect option for protecting your floors and decking from water and dirt. International products have separate terms, are sold from abroad and may differ from local products, including fit, age ratings, and language of product, labeling or instructions. So those are my top 5 garden pots for 2026. Trust me, your plants will thank you later. All product links are waiting for you in the video description. If this helped you, drop a like, share it with a fellow gardener, and subscribe so you never miss my next grow guide. Disclosure, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Some links on this site are affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission if you make a purchase through them, at no extra cost to you. Happy planting, and I'll see you in the next one.